Welcome to my channel Mama and Me. We mamas get worried when it comes to the kids handwriting. We have a lot of queries. When should I start handwriting with them? How first they can learn? What are the alphabets should I introduce them initially? How long, how much time they should take to get the good neat and clean handwriting? Uh, so before doing any kind of handwriting, I would suggest you to start doing free writing activities when your child is 2 to 2 years old. Because it really helps to strengthen their fingers muscles and makes their grips better to hold the pencil. If you're a mom who don't know how to introduce pre-writing activities, please watch my pre-writing activities video. I have made another video on writing and handwriting part 1, where I have talked about how to introduce the standing lines and the sleeping lines. Please watch that video first and then watch this video so that you can connect and you get to know the exact order to introduce the alphabets and the lines to your kids. For this handwriting part 2 video, you will be needing few worksheet. You need to prepare few worksheet and give your child in a practice. For the first worksheet, you need this. What is this? This is slanting lines. See, the against the lines are very close to each other, and I have given the arrow. It tells the child that from which direction they should start from the top and move towards the bottom. Here are more standing lines for their practice. This is a sheet 1. Please prepare the sheet like this. You don't need much. You just need a paper and pen and a marker, a sketch pen, anything will do. Just make sure you have drawn the lines very close to each other and the lines are thick enough so the child will get the confidence. And here are more practice. Once the child have done enough practice with the slanting lines, slowly we will move towards the sheet 2. What about sheet 2? I have drawn few curves and with them I have given the arrows also. So it tells the child that they should start from the top and move in this direction. When I have drawn a circle, I have given an arrow like this. So I have they can move like this. This is worksheet 2. Once the child have practiced the slanting lines, this is sheet 2, which introduce them the curves, circles and all other things. For the next part, you will be needing the sandpaper cutouts like the previous one. Please buy the sandpaper from the local house and make the cutouts like this, like the pattern they are practicing in the pen and paper, and give them tracing. While tracing, give them instruction to use these 2 fingers and trace la way we write. Like while trace the M, not just this is wrong. The right way is the way we write the alphabet. As they trace the alphabet, encourage them to tell the alphabet's name also. The tracing is a very important part. Please take the effort to make the sandpaper cutouts like this and trace them again and again to get the perfection, because tracing in this part they will get to know the exact way to write the alphabets. For the next part, for the next step, to make the activities a little more fun, you can draw few things by using the standing lines, sleeping lines, curve, whatever they have learned so far. Here I have drawn a sheep, a ball and rainbow. You can encourage them to draw a simple rainbow by using this half circle. Let them draw a shape like this by using the standing lines, slanting lines, sleeping lines, standing lines, everything, and give them the instruction to color it. So they will have fun while they are learning something. So my whole motto is to encourage them to learn writing, but in a playful way, so they don't feel bored. And for the next step, you will give them the full guidance and the alphabets which can be written with the standing lines, sleeping lines, curve, whatever they have learned so far, with the full guidance. Here also you can give the arrow if needed, if the child is already done, because they already know the way they are writing, because in the tracing they are tracing the exact way they are writing. And for the last step, you have to buy the exercise book like this. This is the ruled one, and for this you give them the two dots like this. Please mamas, take the effort to make your kids handwriting a better, neat and clean, good one, and do it in a right order. Do the sequence in the right order. Introduce them the things step by step. Don't be in a hurry. And please like, share and comment on my video. I hope it will be useful for you. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button below, so every time I upload a new video you will get the notification. Thank you so much for watching.